Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Nall 2025, and as you can see, it is wet, it is rainy, but the 3D pilots, being some of the bravest pilots in RC, are out here flying in the rain. So folks, stay with us here. We may see some raindrops on the lens, but that's just for effect. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Once again, folks, I do apologize for the raindrops on the lens. But here at Plain Fun RC, we're going to give you continuing coverage. Rain be damned is what I say. Rain be damned. Oh, look at that, folks. We call that raindrop butter right there. Raindrop butter. You're brave enough to come out, fly in the rain, and nail a perfect landing. Fantastic. As he dodges the puddles. All right, friends, more to come.